Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So today I will describe about a dual axis solar tracking and cleaning system. So in this system we used here a mirror for reflecting the sun ray to our solar panel. For moving our solar panel left to right or right to left, we used here for LDR. And in this system we use here a SMPS for make sure the power supply for our all electronics components, and this is the input from our solar panel. We used here DC storage, inverter circuit, manual switch to operate our AC loads from this DC voltage, and here we used a AC voltage measuring circuit and current sensor. And now we can operate our total system very easily. You see here that our ampere is 0.56 and grid voltage is 220, and now voltage is increasing 2.67 volt. So let's see our main controlling system of our solar tracking. After make sure the power supply, our solar system will be rotate left to right or right to left, and solar panel also rotate. So it's a dual axis solar tracking system. That's why it will move four sides, left to right, up and down. You see here that we used here a cleaning system by using a servo motor, and we included here a mirror for reflecting the sun ray to our solar panel. In this case we can produce more and more voltage from our solar panel. And you see here that we use here two servo motor. One servo is for solar panel rotating, and another is used here for total system rotating. So if you like this video, then you can subscribe our channel, and you can follow us on Facebook also. Our Facebook page link will be included in our description. You can check that one. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time, and Assalamu alaikum.